Hello and welcome to another Red Dwarf Skutter build update. So we've got the head built with a working eye, fingers, open and close, head up and down, head tilt, so the skutter with the neck or the arm, whatever you want to call it, fully extended. It stands about 600 millimeters high from the base of the pivot to the top of the head. So we have top arm movement, lower arm movement, we have rotating action. I've slowed it down a lot in the transmitter. Unfortunately that's the speed of the actuators, I can't make that go any faster. I can make it go slower but not faster. Closer view of the base. All this wooden structure here is just to support the stabilisation bearings here. Now the wooden structure won't be required when the body's done. The bearings will be housed in the top of the Skutter's body. So we have standard radio control receiver. The servos are driven from that. Two of the outputs of the receiver go to the Arduino. So turning the drive around, we have a L298N driver board that the Arduino runs. From that the two actuators are supplied. Here is the feedback mechanism for the lower arm. So this is the front view. So you can see the actuator that drives the lower arm. And notice here that this pivot point is moving up, which is bringing the lower arm down. Closer view of the neck or the arm joint. I tried to replicate this as much as I could to the frock pictures that I could get online. Uses a bungee cord the same as the original. So there's an actuator in this arm that's pulling this lever down. This servo here is for the neck up and down. Now I'm trying to build a One Skutter, so they had a servo on this one in the first season. Other seasons on two onwards, they have another actuator in here. So as I said, this is a One Skutter from season 1 episode 5. So one of the things Stabbin does is has a hypodermic syringe and he drops it. Yes, nice. So I've been drawing up the Skutter in Fusion 360 just from reference photos off the internet. And trying to work out how the mechanism and all that operates. Very much trial and error, as you can see. I've had a lot of errors, well, quite a few different versions here. But I think I finally have the head and the arm and that drive mechanism pretty much sorted. Now it's just onto the body and the body drive system.